important are human emotions?
Well, I would say that obviously emotions are very important because without emotions you cannot move on in your relationship with anyone, be it with your colleagues or your friends or your family, your loved ones. Emotions are very important. But I also feel that life deserves to be lived with a practical approach. And when you talk about practicality, money is what makes the world go round. I believe that the right amount of balance. I'm not saying that you need a lot of money to be happy, because I've seen the wealthiest of people living the most miserable of lives, being totally cut off from their families, being disliked by their colleagues, even though they have a lot of money. So I don't really believe in the fact that money makes the world go round. Not 100%. I mean, there are always exceptions to this rule. But I would also say that I have seen the most loving of relationships also being tarnished and affected just because they are not being able to make ends meet or live their day-to-day life without having enough money with them. So I feel that it's a combination of both. Sometimes I've also seen those families that overnight, if they have acquired a lot of assets and a lot of money, so it has affected their bond as a family and it has brought in cracks in their relationships. Just because overnight they have received so much money that they now don't know how to strike a balance between how they should behave with their family and what they should do with money. So it's a combination of both. And I think in that equation is where matters of the heart and your emotions come in. They come out to play, because you have to use your brain in a very, very intelligent way, and that can only come with emotions. So I think yes, they do play a very important part, even more than money. But then again, I would say that it's a combination of both. They have to go side by side.